The Mountain Everest Max is a feature-rich, full-size keyboard that offers a versatile and premium experience for gamers, especially those who enjoy single-player adventures. With a price tag of $299.99, it's an investment piece for your setup, but is it worth it? Let's find out. First off, the design is a real highlight. The Mountain Everest Max boasts an aluminum base plate and magnetic USB-C connections, giving it a luxurious and sturdy feel. The software is comprehensive, allowing for easy customization. However, the ABS keycaps feel a little cheap considering the high price tag, but they can always be replaced. What sets this keyboard apart is its modularity and expandability. The TKL base unit can be expanded with a modular number pad and a separate display dial, giving you extra control and customization options. It's a versatile setup that can adapt to your needs and preferences. The performance of the Mountain Everest Max is impressive, especially for single-player games. While it might not be the fastest keyboard for competitive gaming, it still offers a good response time and handles repeat key presses well across various genres. The Hot-Swappable capability is a nice touch, too, allowing you to change switches with ease. Speaking of gaming, the Mountain Everest Max has some nice features tailored for gamers. You get 4 dedicated macro buttons with LED displays, and the digital display dial is a standout feature. This notch dial lets you control RGB lighting, volume, and profiles, as well as providing stats on PC performance and APM. It's a really useful and intuitive addition to your gaming setup. Overall, the Mountain Everest Max is an excellent choice if you're looking for a full-size, hot-swappable keyboard with a premium feel and versatile design. It might not be the fastest for competitive gaming, but for single-player adventures and general use, it offers a great balance of features and performance. So, if you're in the market for a high-end keyboard and have the space to take advantage of its full-size glory, the Mountain Everest Max is definitely worth considering.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.